Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear, loaded with features. Features also include remote start, premium sound system, adaptive cruise control, dual pane panorama sunroof. Come test drive the 2015 Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas, and is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, power lift gate, traction control, navigation system, remote engine start, stability control, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, backup camera. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.